Is it time to buy or sell Southern Company, the stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Southern Company, the. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, June 16, 2023, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since June 13, 2023, our system has ranked Southern Company, the, as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 3.05. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. The stock has seen a gain of 1.86%. This translates to an average return of 0.46% per day since it was listed as buy candidate. The stock lies in the middle of a weak rising trend in the short term, and a further rise within the trend is signaled. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential 2.01% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -1.28% and 8.44%. As for the 12-month trend, it suggests a -4.89% change over the next 12 months, with a potential return between -22.06% and 1.9%. This translates to a price range of $55.93 to $73.12 after a year. Our latest daily update for Southern Company, the, includes the headline, Southern Company. Stock price up 1.41% on Friday. The Southern Company stock price gained 1.41% on the last trading day, Friday, June 16, 2023, rising from $70.76 to $71.76. It has now gained 3 days in a row. It will be exciting to see whether it manages to continue gaining or take a minor break for the next few days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 2.32% from a day low at $70.56 to a day high of $72.20. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 3.33% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, and, in total, 6 million more shares were traded than the day before. In total, 9 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $670.59 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of stock was $80.57, and the lowest price was $58.85. Currently, the price is 10.93%, or $8.81, below the 52-week high of $80.57, which is also the all-time high for stock. Analyst ratings and price targets. On Friday, December 16, 2022, BMO Capital set a price target of 74. On Friday, December 16, 2022, BMO Capital set a price target of 74. On Friday, December 16, 2022, BMO Capital set a price target of 74. On Thursday, December 15, 2022, Morgan Stanley set a price target of 63. On Thursday, December 15, 2022, Morgan Stanley set a price target of 63. Analysts have given Southern Company stock a general buy rating. They rate the PE ratio as strong buy and price to book as strong buy. For return on investment, the analysts give the stock a neutral rating. The following signals have been identified for Southern Company, the mostly positive signals in the chart today. The Southern Company stock holds by signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock, but the stock has a general sell signal from the relation between the two signals where the long-term average is above the short-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $70.95 and $71.69. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, June 1, 2023, and so far it has risen 3.73%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume is rising along with the price. This is considered to be a good technical signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 12 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 21 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 21 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 13 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 51 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Southern Company, the Southern Company, find support from accumulated volume at $69.75, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. In general, the stock tends to have very controlled movements, and with good liquidity the risk is considered very low in this stock. During the last day, the stock moved $1.63 between high and low, or 2.32%. For the last week the stock has had daily average volatility of 1.49%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Southern Company, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or P/E ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal P/E ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for Q2 2023 is expected on July 27, 2023. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 84 cents. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Southern Company, In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Southern Company, is at $72.31. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Southern Company, encounters its first support level at $69.75. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Southern Company, from multiple analyst sources is buy. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On June 12, 2023, Kaczynski Stephen E. conducted an insider sell of 5,000 shares of Southern Company common stock. On June 9, 2023, Fanning Thomas A. conducted an insider sell of 50,000 shares of Southern Company common stock. On June 5, 2023, Porak David P. conducted an insider buy of 10,000 shares of Southern Company common stock. On June 5, 2023, Porak David P. conducted an insider sell of 10,000 shares of Southern Company common stock. On June 5, 2023, Porak David P. conducted an insider sell of 10,000 shares of option right to buy. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of -22.610. Overall, insiders purchased 300,271 shares and sold 476,080 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $68.22, minus 4.93%. This stock has low daily movements and this gives low risk. There is a buy signal from a pivot bottom found 11 days ago. Is Southern Company, the stock, a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with a general good trend, are positive, and we conclude that the current level may hold a buying opportunity as there is a fair chance for Southern Company stock to perform well in the short term. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, June 20th, we expect Southern Company to open down $0.255 and start trading at $71.51. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and have a beautiful day with regards from all of us here at StockInvest.